Elite draft picks. Let's do it. Big Shazzy on top. Turbo, Weekend at Bernie's. Polly on my shoulder, DHF. Jeff K, Cindy Rez, BM504. Weekend at Bernie's again. Big Sean Wanderer. Green Ranch, Sports Cars, Big Country. Don Russ is right after this one, Nani. So this one, and then we get into some Don Reezy. Hopefully some more absolute fire. That last break was, ooh, wow, insanity. It's always good to have a come back and do a break like that. Alright guys, here we go. Let's see how this one, alright, so problem is looks like this one's going to be going this way. It's like a purple parallel auto out of 99. Cameron Sutton, 19 of 99. That's Steelers. Repeat? Oh, we got a repeat. 19 of 99. Going to the Wanderer already. Eddie Jackson, he's a Bear. 34 of 49. That is Kebab. And here's the rookies. Got to flip the 3. Tim, Sprinkles, Zach Cunningham, Kaya, Stewart, Leonard Fournette. Alrighty. We got color or we got base? We got base auto here. USC. Juju Smith-Schuster. We saw him. Juju Smith-Schuster. For the Steelers. No wonder. Dude, what's going on tonight? Die cut out of 99 brought Kaya. I'm doing a repeat. Jeff Case. Holy shoot, dude. We're going to go all Steelers again, apparently. Dalvin Cook. Darbo. No Brown, Wayne Gallman. Trubisky. Oh, man. Who else can we get? Dobbs? Is that the only guy left? I mean, I'm trying to think. I don't know who else they picked. 2 of 49. That's Raiders. Garyon Conley, Ohio State. 2 of 49 for Garyon Conley. Raiders, Weekend at Bernie's. Reynolds, Seth Russell, Gerard Evans, Jabril Peppers, Cooper Kupp. Red auto, looks like red parallel. UCLA, Randall, go forth. That's one of the guys I do not know what team he's on. Eagles. He is Eagles. 14 of 49 for the Eagles. Big Sean getting Randall Goforth. Go forth. And Ben Roethlisberger, 64 of 99. Going out to the Steelers. Solomon Thomas, Taymon Taylor, Deshaun Watson, Desmond King. base auto here of Shelton Gibson for the Eagles. West Virginia boy. That's Big Sean. Sean doing some work with them Eagles too. And Matt Forte for the Jets out of 49. That is Weekend at Bernie's. There's Juju Smith-Schuster. Josh Dobbs, Corey Davis, Smith-Schuster, Kenny Galladay, Adoree Jackson. Purple auto out of 99. Oh, I do not know this guy. Josh Caraway. Titans. Tennessee. 63.99. Going to Big Country. Big Country getting that one. Stacey Coley, Evan Ingram, Jordan Leggett, Christian McCaffrey, Elijah Hood. $39/49, Travin Doral. I thought we might give Fournette there. There he is. He is Jets. I thought, no, Saints. Sorry, Saints. Nola, 39/49. Going to BM 504. And Melvin Gordon for the Chargers out of 99. That is DHF. Mitchell. Though they always put Mitch, but he does not like being called Mitch. He likes Mitchell. Speedy Noel, Samaj. There's Mitch, Ryan Switzer, Elijah McGuire. Alright, this one doesn't want to open. One of 10. Tre'Davious White, Bills. JPJ Rivera. Gold auto, 1 of 10. Malachi, Feeney, Jarwin, Malik, Joe Mixon, Mike Williams. Base auto, Travin Doral again. Going out to Saints, BM 504. Peyton Manning out of 99. Son Reddick, Brian, Leonard Fournette, Pat Mahomes. Don Ross is next, yes. Bama, O.J. Howard. Nice. Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Sports cards 88. And Mitch Leidner out of 99 for the Ravens. Turpos. CJ Beathard. Ambetta, Wayne Gallman, Brad Kyle, Darius Stewart. Let's give me another one just like that last. So, what is this way? Oh no, it isn't this way. Oops. Spoiled it. Kareem Hunt. 34 of 99 for the Chiefs. That is Kansas City. Big Sean. 34 of 99. Kareem Hunt. I'll try not to bleed on the cards. And Desmond King out of 99. Die cut. John Ross, Jonathan Allen, D.D. Westbrook, Corey Clement, Noah Brown. Well, they're not. They just, like, fall apart. There's a little thing to pull there. So it's this one? Yeah. Out of 99, Vince Beagle. Wisconsin. I thought that was going to be T.J. Watt, but Vince Beagle, there he is. Green Bay Packer. 46.99 for the Packers. John Say DDA. Ben Roethlisberger, 23 of 25 for the Steelers. Blue. The Steelers Wanderer. Carl Lawson, Chris Godwin, Jake Butt, Sean Watson, Artavis. No, Beagle is a Packer. Beagle is a Packer. Purple out of 99. Clemson, Jordan Leggett. Jets. 43 of 99. Clemson. That's weekend at Bernie's. And Sterling Shepard for the Giants. 33 of 49. Hooker, Marlon Mack, Cameron Sutton, Travis Rudolph, Reuben Foster. Is it this way? Yep. 41 of 49. Tre'Davious White, again, for the Bills. JPJ Rivera. Keep getting LSU, but not the right guy. Jake Butt, 76.99 for the Broncos. That goes to Broncos 32-14. John Ross, Jonathan Allen, Jabril Peppers, Cooper Kupp. Wait, no, nope. I spoiled it for myself. 33 of 50. Zay Jones for the Bills. JPJ Rivera. East Carolina. Right, I believe so. And Hassan Reddick out of 49 for Big Sean. And the Cardinals. D.D. Westbrook, Carl Lawson, Chris Godwin, Switzer, base. Hey, we did get one Fournette. We did get a Fournette in the last break. Gold, 1 of 10 auto It's a LSU guy. But it's not him. It's Davon Gachow. Or Davon Gachow. I don't know what the hell team he's on. Dolphin. There are Fournettes. There are Fournettes in this, yes. I have pulled one out of this. It was the out of 50 purple. Dolphins is weekend at Bernie getting that guy. And Brett Favre out of 49 for the Packers. That is the only one I think I've ever seen, though. He must be pretty damn hard to get. LSU is quite popular in this break. Purple. Ryan Ramczyk. Shoot, I don't ever remember what team he's on either. There he is. He is Saints. Lots of Saints. BM504 getting that one. And Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys out of 99. Cooper Rush. Donnell Pumphrey, Joe Mixon. Green, 1 of 5. Michigan, Chris Wormley. Baltimore, Turpos. 1 of 5. Nice hit. Pat Mahomes, Malik McDowell. Bound to be one more LSU. Very easily could be. This one, nope. Wrong way, but there's the auto. Elijah McGuire. Do not know what team he's on. Jets. Just got Jets weekend at Bernie's. And Seth Russell out of 49. Jamal Adams, Dan Feeney, Joe Mix, Mike Williams, Cordrea Tinkersley. One more Louisiana guy. Blue, it's not this way. We gotta go this way. Out of 25. I've never ever pulled this guy's auto. I don't know what team he's on. Des Lawrence. Des Lawrence, North Carolina. Let's see if he got drafted. He may not have been drafted. That might be why I didn't hear his name. I didn't even have a Wikipedia. Okay, that's not good. I can't find him on a team. I'll check one last place, and then it's going to be random to everyone in the break. There he is. Da, da, da. Nope. Not on the team. I don't think. Oh, Big Sean. Lions, okay. Lions have signed undrafted free agent quarterback Des Lawrence. Oh, yep. Okay, awesome. There we go. So no random necessary. That goes clean to the Lions. That's Jeff Case. 15 of 25. And Sydney. 14 of 99. Sidney Jones for the Eagles, which is Big Sean. Pat Mahomes. Yeah, it wasn't bad. I mean, you did get Sutton and you got Juju Smith-Schuster. I think Juju's going to be good. I saw him. He got to, he talked to, who did he talk to for a while? I think he was talking to Willie McGinnis for a while when I saw him. Peyton Manning would go to longest tenure, so if it's Colts,
It's Colts.
I think it's Colts.
It's Colts.
I'm 99% sure it's Colts.
It's Colts. I know it's Colts.
Okay. My wife's a Broncos fan, so she's going to know better than I would. Yeah, it's Colts for freaking
13 seasons.
Yeah, Peyton Manning goes to Colts. No worries, Tingle. Thanks for jumping in, bud. Hell of a hit. And Big Sean got some nice hits too with those winning those dual and triple auto. Next up's Don Ross to end the night, guys.